In front of me is Nubia Z60 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications. Begin by launching Settings. When you're ready, tap on Notification and Status bar. Then select App Notifications located at the top and click on All Apps at the top left corner. Then select the best option for you. In my case, Most Frequent. Following that, by tapping on blue switcher next to any of those apps, you can block notifications from it. To switch them back on, hit the same now gray switcher. To access more notification options, tap on any app located on the left and manage them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!